Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Call of Duty Warzone on mobile with VPN. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is to download this VPN Proxy Master on your Google Play Store, and once done, just open the app. And from here, just tap on connect. From here, you can see all the servers. In my case, I'll choose this one, and now let's wait for it to load. You can actually wish to upgrade your app to join more servers and get more good features, but for me, I'll stick to the free trial. And now you're done setting up your VPN. When you swipe down, you can see that the VPN is already connected. It's nice to use VPN, especially if you want to play games that are not available in your region, and to play with your friends that are outside your region also. Now let's play the game. Just open the app, and there you go. That's how you play Call of Duty Warzone on your mobile phone with VPN. I hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.